Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. Ectotherms and endotherms have different strategies for generating and maintaining body heat. Explain why ectotherms are more dependent on the environment for body heat than endotherms, and how endotherms are able to generate and maintain body temperature. And so first let's define what the ectotherms are and what endotherms are. And so ecto, ectotherms are like reptiles and amphibians, and they don't possess the ability to keep themselves warm or to generate heat, and so they can't generate heat, and so to maintain, so they're extremely dependent on the environment, depend on the environment, because they cannot do the metabolic processes to generate heat, and so sunlight, for example, it was how they would get their heat. And so that's why ectotherms tend to be confined to warmer parts of the world. Um, and that's also why snakes, for example, and turtles like to bask sometimes. Um, so sunlight. Next, we have the endotherms. So endotherms are different in the sense that they can generate their own body heat. So they do generate heat, and they do this using metabolic processes. And so they can just create their own heat. And so, because of this trait, mammals and bird species can colonize to some of the colder parts of the planet, and they don't rely on the environment as much as ectotherms. And so, let's see which of the choices says something similar. So, let's start with A. Ectotherms use external thermal heat, whereas endotherms use metabolically generated heat to help regulate and maintain body temperatures. So that is going to be our answer because it essentially just sums this up. This is A. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.